Jesus can bring back life. Lord, if you had been here, my brother would have died. She didn't know what she said. If Jesus is present, some things won't happen. But here's what Jesus gave her roses in a December. Here's where he brought the light when it was dark. Here's where he brought in some happiness where it was confusion. You will see your brother again. And guess what Jesus did? How he had roses in December? He called Lazarus from the grave during grave time. Praise God. Grave time, calling somebody from the grave. Because Christ came to bring light in the midst of their darkness. He came to bring happiness where there was sadness. And that's my message to you right now. How to have roses in December. Bring back some life where there's death. Bring back some happiness where there's confusion. Bring back loved ones that you've been mad at all year. Come on now.